Hi, so I'm Max Mitchell. This is my introduction speech for the communication for the professional class. I'm 20 years old. I grew up in Canyon, Texas, which is about an hour and a half north of Lubbock, just south of Amarillo. Went to Canyon High School. While I was at Canyon High School, I played a couple sports, including basketball and golf. I've been very lucky. I have a very supportive family. As you can see in this picture, that's my mom. She's very supportive, and I couldn't be where I am without her. I have a sister. She is 18. She is a freshman in college right now at Mary Hardin Baylor University down by Waco. And that's my dad once again. I couldn't be where I am without my dad or any of them. Um, and I especially couldn't be where I am spiritually without any of them either. So coming out of high school, I went to Trinity University down in San Antonio for 2 years. Played golf there, and you can see up there's a picture of me playing golf. Then I transferred to LCU, and now I play golf at LCU, and that's been a blast. Met some great people, as you see in that picture on the bottom right. Other than golfing, though, I mean, I enjoy to go skiing. I really enjoy to go fishing when I'm in my free time. So I enjoy being in the mountains in that area. And in my spare time at LCU, right now I'm a biochemistry major. After LCU, I'm gonna go grad school. I'm not really sure yet. I want to be either some kind of a doctor or a physical therapist. I think that's what I really want to do with my life. But I'm happy to be at Lubbock Christian and couldn't imagine being anywhere else.